So Autumn and I are at Christmas Cove. What's Christmas Cove? It's the beach behind us. We are up by Northport, Michigan, and we are in the parking lot, and we are basically tailgating. We got burgers.
Hannah's already swimming.
Hannah's already down at the beach swimming. Burgers and beans. And then, anyways, so we're just going to grill out. We'll show you the beach when we get down there. So we're just doing simple lunch.
Some burgers. We picked up some sweet cherries from a little stand on the side of the road, and some cucumbers for later. And then we have a few little things. Nothing too big.
They grow a lot of sweet and tart cherries up in this region, and they were just fresh picked. So yeah,
should be fun.
Great little old farm lady. So yeah, it was awesome.
More to come.
So we got our cooler, drinks, basically picnic, and I'm gonna get the chairs for the beach.
This is cheaper than eating out. Tonneau cover, one of the best ones ever.
It's the backflip 4. Hannah got one on her truck yesterday, the same setup.
And this is the Caribbean of the North. Isn't it beautiful? This is Michigan. I've never been to Michigan, totally worth it. There's no sharks, no salt, and yeah, just warm water, beautiful.
So we're on the beach, and our geographical reference is we are by South Fox Island, North Manitou Island, and South Manitou Islands just behind that. So I'll show you those out here. Water is actually perfectly teal today. So right there is South Fox Island. South Fox Island there. And that's North Manitou Island right there. So what are we doing? Rock hunting. It's like the Caribbean here. Yeah.
Father-daughter catch.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us at the Christmas Cove Beach. It's about an hour and 20 minutes roughly from here, and it's just north of Northport, Michigan, anyways, it ends right on the west side of the Leelanau Peninsula. And so it's pretty cool because you can see South Fox Island, you can see North Manitou Island. It looks like the Caribbean up there. Autumn calls it the Caribbean. What do you call it, Caribbean or Caribbean?
I don't know why I said Caribbean, but anyways, it's the same thing. Caribbean.
So we got nice blue skies behind us. I'm hoping to get some more rain on our food plots, but Autumn's just joining us for
so we're just having a quick wrap up, but we have some things going on. We've been pretty busy. As some of you know, we're headed out for a big trip here shortly, and it's the 50th state.
50th state, here we come.
We've been to 50 states together after, well, I guess about 2 weeks.
So Autumn and I are working a full week this coming week, starting tomorrow's Monday, and I'm working all week, and then I have to do my PT test for work before I go, and then Autumn's working a full week, and I'm working next weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So when I get out of work, we're going to throw the bags in the vehicle, and Monday morning we're heading to the airport really early. So looking forward to it.
Awesome. We're very excited.
So
very excited.
Yep, August 7th we get to meet our kids, our oldest and our son-in-law out west, and we're going to do a little trip with them for the week, and then Autumn and I are on our own trip.
Alaska.
Yeah, our last
it's going to be fun. So we're really excited, and we'll share some updates, maybe a live video somewhere. We don't know what we're going to do yet, but we'll figure something out. So
yeah, maybe, yep. Anyways, everybody have a great day. God bless. Create your own story today, and thanks for checking into our videos and commenting. We love to hear your comments, and what's some things that you're doing this summer, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.